Hey everyone, my name is Jordy Clark. Welcome back to the channel. I'm a real estate investor and real estate broker here in the state of Utah. And my goal in this video is to help you understand the 4 reasons why rentals make sense. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not a financial planner or a CPA. This is just coming from my real estate background. I am a licensed real estate broker. And these are just things that I've seen and reasons why I like investment or rental properties. So the first is you get tax benefits. Rental properties can be very tax advantageous. You get to depreciate them, which means typically all or some or most of the rents that come in are more tax favorable. This is because the tax code is written in such a way that allows more of a benefit because the government wants you investing in rental properties to provide housing, right? So the second reason I like them, they're leverageable. Nowhere else do I know that you can go and buy an investment with 20% down or even less sometimes. I mean, you definitely can't very easily do that in the stock market or with other things, right? So with a modest down payment, you can control an asset that's worth far more, which brings me to my third reason why I like rental properties. And that is typically they appreciate. If you get it in the good neighborhood, in the right area, where there is good job growth, and there's strong economic fundamentals, you have a good likelihood of that property appreciating in value, which means it's going to go up year after year after year in value, which is a great hedge against inflation. It's also really cool to see when you buy a property, it's worth $200,000 today, and in 10 years when you go to sell it, it's worth $300,000. The other side of that is, it actually goes back to the leverage, is your tenants are paying that property off for you. So it's pretty cool to be able to see the difference as it goes up in value and as the tenants pay it down. You're able to basically create the spread of equity, and it can be a beautiful thing. So the fourth reason that I love rental properties is when you buy it right and you buy a good asset, it will typically cash flow. And cash flow is just the difference between the payment and the expenses versus the rent that you bring in. So just for a very easy example, if your rent was $1,000 a month on a particular property and all of your expenses were $600 a month, let's say with property management, you're $700 a month. Then the difference, $300 a month, is cash flow. It's net positive to you that you get an extra $300 a month in addition to the appreciation, in addition to the loan pay down if you leverage, and the tax benefits. That every month you get that, and you can take that and spend it as you choose, or you can just stick it in a savings account and let it build up. That can pay for some repairs down the line. That can pay for kids' college or a car, toys, vacation. It could pay for a lot of different things, right? Or my personal favorite, it could buy you another rental property. So it's pretty cool when your properties can start buying you more properties, and you really just let that compound interest grow. So overall, guys, the big reason here is you just need to get out and buy rental properties. No one that I've ever met that's held on to rental properties for 10, 15, 20 years has ever regretted it. And I've helped a lot of people buy, sell, and invest in real estate. So most importantly, your future self will thank you for going out and buying your first rental or your next rental today. So guys, hit the like button, please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so that you can be notified when new videos come up. And most importantly, go get a rental.